Mexico is one of my favorite countries in the world because it's almost like an iceberg. People think they know the country, piñatas, tequila, but it is so much more than that. And this trip we're gonna see a lot more. We're gonna see tacos. We're gonna see waterfalls. We're gonna see mariachis. We're gonna have some shocking surprises. And we're gonna visit the state of Chiapas, which is supposed to be absolutely gorgeous. It's the Sumidero Canyon, and it reaches up to 1,000 meters. We got tickets for something very special tonight. We are at El Chiflón, which is a set of 5 waterfalls. Now inside the ancient Maya city of Yaxchilan. Where exactly are we?
We're in Las Nubes.
Tonina was one of the longest lasting Maya city-states. Xochimilco, Venice of Mexico. The masterpiece of Javier Senosian. About 17 hectares, and it took about 13 years to build it. Mexico City is quite the hotspot for street art.
Oldest urban developed site in all of Mesoamerica.
It's a pulqueria, so they sell fermented cactus syrup. Okay, let's dive in.